So my job is working down at the test facility for ASE. So when we first started, we just had a pendulum. It was an earlier iteration than what we have now. We used to test outside. We've now evolved to have a purpose custom-built testing facility where we have sort of moved through different types of testing equipment. The latest bit of testing equipment is our servo sled. So it's a custom designed bit of kit that's usually used in the automotive industry. We've had it developed for specifically testing our barriers and products here. So we're trying to constantly innovate in trying to make the testing as realistic as possible, and also to increase the amount of data that we capture so we can feed that into the development process, so the design engineers can continue to push the boundaries in the products that they develop.